guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one is another style of bougie on a budget. However, it is not a handbag for you today. What I have today for you is another piece of jewelry. You guys know I'm really into really nice and simplistic jewelry. Sometimes I do a little much. I'll link that video up here so you can check it out to see what I'm talking about when I say a little much. But today I have a really nice simple piece for you guys, and so I want to share it with you and get your thoughts on it, give you just another idea for some things, you know, shopping lists and things like that. Here is my packaging, guys, and let's go ahead and get into this baby. This video is in partnership with Zeno Jewels. If I could get my package open. And they were gracious enough to send me over this beautiful piece to share with you guys. And I'm super excited. So your package does come packed pretty well. I mean, it's got the bubble wrap. My son Braden loves the bubble wrap. And then this is what the inside of my package looks like. So you got some more bubble wrap to ensure that it's in there nice, tight, and snug, which I really do appreciate, and I do like that. And then, ooh, okay, so I'm already in love because I love the packaging. This is the box that the ring comes in. This is so cute. This is really cute, like mauve pink velvet box with this ribbon on top. I think this is absolutely adorable. You guys know pink is one of my favorite colors, so I'm here for it. I love that, and I love little details like that. I think that is so dope. Let's see what else we've got in here. This little envelope here, we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. Oh, okay, so it's just a cleaning cloth, like all of these companies send with your jewelry pieces, so that you can clean them, which is a great thing to have. This little envelope is really cute, and again, you guys know I love pink, so I think that's a really cute touch that they kind of match a little bit. That's really cute. Then you've got all of your certifications. So guys, this is certified sterling silver, so 925 sterling silver, and you get all of your sterling silver certificates and your certifications, the date that it was tested, all that good jazz, and it shows that it does pass the silver test and has the date that it's tested, all that up here. So that is really good for you to have. You can stick that in your file so that you can keep that with your pieces. And then also you've got a hassle-free return policy that's listed here, return and exchange, what your non-refundable, what you can do with your non-refundable items, your refunds. 30-day return policy is what it says here. And then on the back you do have a 1-year warranty, guys. So not only are these affordable pieces, but you're very secure in your purchase because you've got a 30-day return policy and you've got a 1-year warranty policy, which is very good. Especially if you're gifting these things, because you know you want that peace of mind that when you gift it to somebody that it's a piece that will last and that they can cherish. So I love that you get all of that with that. And then the next piece you get in here is just a really cute gift bag if you are gifting for somebody. You know, it's the holiday season, so this is really cute. If you're you know, gonna put this under the tree for somebody, it's just a little sack and you put your gift in there and then you pull the ribbon tight and tie it. I think that's really cute. Very nice touch that they add that in there for you for your gifting purposes. Now that we've got all the formalities out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this piece because I am super excited about this piece. We're gonna open her up. Ooh, you guys know I am a size 9-ish. I'm really a little smaller than a 9, especially on my ring finger. But I always order size 9 so that I can interchange my ring and put it on different fingers. So that is what I've ordered. I've ordered a size 9 here. And then here is my ring. It is a wedding set, engagement / wedding set. But do y'all see the sparkle and shine on this baby? Honey, she's pretty. You've got this beautiful pear-shaped single stone there, and it is accompanied by all of these beautiful smaller stones. I love this. I love the clean lines of this, the simplicity of it. You guys know my regular wedding set. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. These pieces are ideal for I don't know if anybody else has this, but my rings were purchased from Gordon's Jewelers, and which is owned by Zales and all of that. And they do offer like policy, like repair and all of that. They also will touch up your gold, because white gold, you guys, I don't know if you know, but gold is really yellow and they treat it to make it white. So over time it will start to turn yellow, and so they retreat it to keep it white and polish it, clean up your diamonds and all that. Well, you have to send it off for that, and sometimes that takes weeks, and so you don't want to be walking around with no ring. And so things like this are perfect for that. Also, if you're a person that travels often, you don't want to travel with your ring. You want to make sure that it is secure, because if somebody robs your hotel room or anything like that, you don't lose your actual wedding set. These are ideal for that. So I love that for that reason. I love these for that reason. They're perfect for that reason. But not to mention, you can also use this as your wedding set. Like I mean, these are beautiful stones, beautiful sterling silver. Again, you do get your polishing cloth, and just a really simple, elegant set. I love it. Do y'all see how simple that is? But it just sparkles and shines so nicely. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And again, my ring finger is not exactly a 9. It's a little bit smaller than a 9, but I wouldn't go any size smaller, because then I feel like I wouldn't really be able to easily get it on and off. But super beautiful. Super beautiful. And the great thing about this is that you could separate the rings, and you could definitely, I'm all about mixing and matching. You could definitely, I love wearing rings on my pointer finger. So you could definitely wear the band just like that. I think that is so pretty. You definitely could do that. Or just wear the band on your ring finger. So simple, but it's so pretty and so chic. I love it. Same with this. You could just wear the single ring on your finger. So yeah, guys, I love this. I love this set. I think it's very beautiful. And if you got this for your wedding or engagement set, I think that you would be super, super pleased with this. The quality is stellar. I'm looking at it and I'm just like, oh, I could get lost in it. I could get lost in it. The angles, the way the light hits it, it's just phenomenal. Let me put it back in the box so you can get a better look at it. And oh gosh, I just love it. I love this packaging, but look at that. Look at the way she sparkles and shines. Such a beauty. Such a beautiful piece. Such a beautiful piece, you guys. So again, just a really quick video I wanted to share with you guys, because they were so gracious to send this over to me. Again, great gift giving ideas, beautiful for the holiday, beautiful engagement wedding set. I think you would actually love it. The quality, I'm looking at it and I'm just like, this look like my ring. Like, super affordable, very nice, very reasonable. I will have all the information linked in the description box, of course, for you. I'll have the direct link to this beauty right here for you so that you can cop one if you're interested. I'll also have the website so that you can shop whatever else they have available if you're interested. And yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you are following me on my Instagram at Lady Channail. But guys, yeah. Perfect. It looks perfect. I love it. I love it. You guys be sure and tell me what you think about it in the comment section down below. And I'll be sure and see you guys next time. I love you so, 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 so much. Bye.